Hello friends, in the last video, we have seen comparison of like fractions and we find that the comparison of unlike fractions is a little bit difficult. So how to compare unlike fractions? We'll see it with some examples and with some figures. Well, you will be able to see there is a square which is being divided into 4 equal parts and one part of this square is shaded. So fraction of the shaded part will become 1 out of 4. And you'll see a same size square which is being divided into 8 equal parts and 3 parts out of 8 parts they are shaded. By looking at the figure, can you tell me which square is shaded more? Well, definitely by looking at the figure, you can see that this portion is extra shaded of this particular square. So being this, the 3 by 8 is bigger than 1 by 4. But this is clear by looking just at the figure. But if I give you this example numerically, compare 1 by 4 and 3 by 8, you'll get confused because the denominators are not same. They are unlike fractions. And here, 1 part out of 4 is shaded, and here, 3 part out of 8 is shaded. And how to compare? Then the comparison will become difficult. So how to compare? Now, instead of dividing this square into 4 equal parts, if I divide this square into 8 equal parts like this, if I divide this square into 8 equal parts, you'll find that the number of parts made in this square now will become equal to 8. And the number of shaded parts will automatically become equal to 4. Now you can see that the numerator and the denominator. Here you can see that 4 becomes twice, that's 8, and 1 becomes twice, that is 2. So this becomes the equivalent fraction of 1 by 4, where we are going to multiply 1 with a 2 and 4 with 2. So this fraction will definitely become 2 out of 8. Now it's very easy to compare these like fractions. So by removing 1 by 4, if I put 2 out of 8 over here, now you can see that 2 parts out of 8 parts are shaded in this square, and 3 parts out of 8 parts they are shaded in this square. So definitely 3 parts out of 8 parts they are more than 2 out of 8. So for comparing unlike fractions, we are making their denominators equal. So comparing unlike fractions, we are converting unlike fractions to like fractions. We'll take one more example. There is one circle which is being divided into 5 equal parts and 2 parts out of it they are shaded. So the fraction of the shaded portion of the circle will become 2 out of 5. We'll take another circle of the same size. It's divided into 3 equal parts and 1 part we have taken and shaded. So the fraction of shaded portion will become 1 out of 3. Now, which circle is shaded more? By looking at the figure, you can see definitely that this particular circle is shaded more, as there are 2 parts out of 5 parts they are shaded. But if I give this problem again numerically to you without giving any figure, then it's very difficult to compare. Now, how to compare these unlike fractions? For that, what I'm going to do, these 5 parts, now each part is being divided into 3 parts. So, if I divide each 5 parts in small 3 parts, 3 equal parts, so in this particular circle, there will be now 15 equal parts. So if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 equal parts are there. In second circle, there are 3 equal parts. Now each part, I am going to divide them into 5 small parts, 5 small equal parts. So, let's see, the first part is being divided into 5 equal parts. Second part, I'm going to divide this into 5 equal parts. Third circle, I am again dividing into 5 equal parts. Okay, now you can see that how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here, each part, actually, I am dividing into 5 equal parts. And here also, I am actually dividing each part into 50 parts. So number of parts, that is the denominator will become equal to 50. Now, let's compare the number of shaded parts. So number of shaded parts in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see that 3 to the 6. So here also I have to multiply 2 with the 3. So that the number of shaded parts will become 6 out of 50. In this case, you can see that number of parts made now become 50. And the number of shaded parts will compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this also number of shaded parts will become 5 times the original one. So this will become 6 upon 50, and this now will become 5 upon 50. So 5 upon 15 and 6 upon 15. Now we are going to compare 6 upon 15 and 5 upon 15. Definitely, 6 parts, they are greater than 5 parts. What we have done again in this case, we make the denominator equal. Now, to find the denominator, we can see that 15 is in table of 5 and 3. Here also, 15 is in table of 5 and 3. So we'll find out the LCM of denominators. We'll make their denominator equal. And then when we actually divide both the poles in the number of equal parts, then definitely number of shaded part, we can compare very easily. So for comparing unlike fractions, we make their denominator equal. We convert them into like fractions. We'll see some numerical problems of comparing unlike fractions in the next video. Till then, goodbye.